Welcome to another Maksiwa tutorial video. Today we're going to be going over how to set up your Maksiwa Edgebander. In order to complete this process, you're going to need a few tools. First off, we have a box cutter, a ratchet with a 10mm socket on it, or a 10mm wrench, and a Phillips head. We ask that you don't use power tools, that way we avoid any over-torquing of the bolts. In order to ensure that our products arrive in good condition, Maksiwa ships its Edgebander in 2 boxes. Let's begin by opening the outer and inner box. Before you pull out your machine, please be aware that included there is an owner's manual and a glue warning label. Read through the owner's manual for general information on the machine, but pay special attention to the glue warning label, as there are specifications for which glue you should be using, what temperature you should be running your machine at. Failure to comply with these specifications and regulations may cause your warranty to be voided. After reading through your owner's manual and glue warning label, cut the plastic wrap that holds the machine together. Then you can remove any loose parts like the crossbar and the extension arm. Then, in order to ease the process and avoid scratching the machine, use the cardboard cover that was on top and flip the machine over on its side. Then you can begin to work it out. Next step is to open the legs and install the feet. Note that the feet are adjustable. You can put them in whatever position you would like. Make sure you line it up, and then you can screw it in. Then, with your 10mm ratchet, you can tie in the bolts. Once you have your crossbar installed and tightened, you can lift the machine. Finally, install the final crossbar. Next, we can install the extension arm. And grab the plate that should still be in the bottom of your box. Now you're all set up. To turn on your machine, you're going to want to break the zip tie that holds the plug together. Then remove the screw that holds the lid and the glue pot in place. You'll notice that there's glue on your machine already. This is because the unit is tested before shipping out. Once you've set up your machine, you can go ahead and flip on the main power switch. Ensure that the emergency off button is pulled out and you can push the on green button. You'll notice that the temperature controller has 2 numbers. The red at the top means the actual temperature of the machine, while the green at the bottom is what the temperature is set at. Once the actual temperature reaches within 10 degrees of the set temperature, you can go ahead and flip on the feeder switch. You will notice that the rollers will start spinning. You can now run a workpiece. turn on the main power switch, make sure the emergency switch is out, and push the green on button. You will notice that the temperature controller will light up. On the top, you'll see the actual temperature of the machine, and on the bottom, the temperature that the machine is set at. Once you are within 10 degrees of operating temperature, you can go ahead and turn on your feeder switch. You'll notice that the rollers are spinning. You are now ready to run a workpiece. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on how to set up your Maksiwa Edgebander.